In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between demo and real accounts on Exness. Now, this is actually super simple. You want to first go to your personal area, top left where it says trading, and you want to click on accounts. To switch between demo and real accounts, you can go and click on the real tab to open your real accounts over here, and then the demo tab to see your demo accounts over here. Now, if you want to open a new one, click on open over here, and then inside the opening phase, when you pick, of course, your account type, you can go and press continue, and in here you can switch between demo and real as well. But if you are currently inside your trading terminal, so if you are inside Exness terminal, their web terminal here, you could also go and switch between demo and real in there super simply. Go to the top here, click on where you can see it says, of course, demo or real or whatever, and you can see the amount you have on there. Click on that, click on switch account, and you can then go and switch between them in here. So I'm going to now switch to a real account like this. There we go, as you can see, and if I want to switch back, I can just switch again, select the account I want, and that's essentially all you have to do to switch between real and demo. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.